Hey everybody, this is Mike and Jennifer. We're headed to downtown Dallas. We're turning onto Elm Stream right now. Going through Deep Ellum. Deep Ellum used to be a big time ghetto in Dallas, and they've done a lot of revitalization programs to it. A lot of restaurants and bars and a lot of car clubs come down here various times of the year and put on car shows and all kinds of cool stuff going on.
Upscale apartments.
Upscale apartments being built. It's kind of a trendy place to be. One of our favorite restaurants is up here a couple blocks to the right. Well, it's up a couple blocks ahead, but on the right, called Pepe and Mitos. It's a great Tex-Mex and Mexican restaurant. But you can see a little bit of Dallas up ahead of us. They have some of the buildings decked out in red, white, and blue for Memorial Day. We're gonna... This is one of Dallas's signature bridges. I think it was a architect in Spain. They paid millions of dollars to design this suspension bridge. It's designed so that no matter what angle you look at it from, it looks a little different. Usually it's all lit up in white. Tonight it's pretty mellow. Come across it, you get to see all of Dallas skyline. Be going down right between them. It's like 83, 84 out, awesome weather to be driving around top down. And it's nice to come down downtown Dallas and be able to look up and not see the roof. You get to see the buildings just reaching up into the stars above you.
We're gonna angle it up so you can see the out the roof of a convertible. The sky.
Concrete sky.
Yep, concrete sky. As my hair blows in the picture.
There's actually more people on the streets of Dallas right now
There's the Pegasus.
than what you see during the day.
Yeah, that's true. There's the Pegasus, which my school, we are the Anderson Pegasuses.
That building go back red, white, and blue.
That'd be cool. You might it's cool just to say, oh my goodness, they go up that high.
These aren't even big compared to
I
ours.
know. Those of you in New York City are laughing at me right now. Or maybe even
They're
in
also
LA.
laughing from a taxi cab or subway. So.
This is true. It'd be cool if the green building changed right in front of us.